Yo, what's up? It's your boy Kurtis. Yeah, the one and only on the microphone. Yo, so check it out. I'm just making a quick tutorial video on how to make a beat. But honestly, man, like there's just so many things that you can do, so many variations, so many techniques. So what I'm gonna do is just give you a little bit of sauce on how to get some inspiration, how to start your beat. Cause some of you are probably like lost out there, like why does my beat sound like shit? Why is my beat, it doesn't sound like it's together. It's not vibing. I don't feel anything from my beat. Where do I start? So anyways, it's your boy Kid Curtis. If you know me, check out my music on Spotify. Support your boy. iTunes, everywhere. But anyways, yo, check it out. So basically what you need to understand is musical theory. You need to understand chord progressions because chord progressions give you the vibe. They give you the feeling. So if you're making like hip hop, like R&B style music, even pop music, like you have to have chord progressions. So the first thing that you start with is the key. What key do you want to be in, right? So there's a bunch of keys that you can choose. But what I suggest is you go to like tunebat.com. That's tunebat.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to go on there and you're going to figure it out. Like you're going to say, okay, look, what song do I like that's on the radio right now? Or what song have I heard in the past that I love? Find that song. It's going to tell you the key. It's going to tell you the tempo. Okay. That's all you got to do. Find the key, find the tempo. From there, you go from the chord. So let's say it's F major. F major is the key. Then you're going to go to Chordify for that song. Same song. You're going to see what chords they use to make that song. Okay, this is not copycatting. This is inspiration. So then you find that out, right? Then you go to pianokeyboard, I believe.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to find out your chords that are in that key. There's certain chords that go with the key, okay? So once you've done that, and I'm going to do F major. So I'm going to open this up. So check this out. We're going to turn off everything here. I'm just going to go to my pattern here. So real quick. So check it out. We got a key here. We got the F major key. And this is my chord progression. And it sounds like this. Alright, so turn that shit off. Alright, very basic, right? Very basic 4-chord progression there. Alright, next thing we're gonna do. So check it out. We're gonna go. So all I did was I copy and pasted that into a different instrument and I ARPed that shit. I don't know the full word, like arpeggio or something. But anyways, ARP that shit, right? So you go to your piano roll, and I don't think this is going to show up on the video, but if you click this thing right here, it's going to open up tools, and then you go to tools and you go down to ARP. Okay, and then once you go to ARP, then you just leave the default and you hit accept. What's going to do is going to break it all up like this. So I copy and pasted that chord progression into here. Okay, that's all it is, right? Look at it. Shit goes up like that, right? Then I'm going to go ahead and play that. So check it out. All right, so very basic, right? All right, so moving on. So now I got my chord progression. I got my key. I got a nice little loop going. Again, I know this is super basic, but I'm just trying to give you the starting point. You can get creative as you want. So anyway, so now we're going to go here. So now I have my kick. Now, actually, what I start with is my 808. So your 808 needs to be in tune. So what you're going to do, as you can see, this 808 is following the same chord progression. Right? So very simple. One trick on your 808, if you don't know it yet, go like click on it like that, pull it up and make sure everything is at 0% except for the hold. Make sure the hold is 100%. And why? It's because you can control how long your 808 lasts. So I don't know if you've ever ran into your 808s like lasting too long, kind of muddying up your mix, but check it out. So see how it cut off like that, just real short. So I'm gonna stretch it out though because I like it stretched out right here. Yeah. And you can just play with it, man. Like I said, this is a quick tutorial here. All right, so we got that. We're moving on to our kick. We got the kickity kick. I just left it the default. Like I don't even mess with this shit right here. But you can go and do the same thing. Look, 0, 0, 0, 0, 100, 100, 100. Hey. Okay, there's your kick, right? Boom, boom, right, boom, boom. Oh, let me turn it off. Yeah, we're good. So they got that, right? Then you got your clap. Boy, your clap is super basic. I didn't even do anything with that, but you can do the same thing. You can do the whole thing. 0, 0, 0 it out, 100 it, and then you can control like how long it lasts. But just for time's sake, alright, super chill. But remember, the key is that you have to find the key. No pun there, but that's the key. You got to know your key first. Build your chord progression, then start building your drum pattern to that. Add that hi-hat in there. Alright, so here's your final product, guys, man. It's that simple, bro. Like mixing and all that stuff, we'll get into that later, but let me go ahead and play this for you. Ready? Let's do it. Ready? Hey, 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 hey. Hey, here you go. I'm not sure why I cut out like that, but whatever. Alright, thank you for listening, man. Hit me up in the comments. I appreciate you guys. Kid Kurtis, check me out online. Thank you.